Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a flash game like Ping-Pong. So you need Adobe Flash Professional CS6 for this, and you have to make it in ActionScript 3.0. If you don't have Adobe Flash Professional CS6, there would be a link in the description of this video, which will take you to torrent link, and you can download for free from over there. So create ActionScript 3. Over there, so you have to save it at .fla file. You can name it whatever you would like, but make sure it's in .fla format. So I would just name it as Ping-Pong and save it. Now go back to File, New, and create ActionScript file. And you have to save it as main.as. .as ActionScript file. Make sure you have named it as main. Go back to .fla file, and over there in properties, class type main, capital M again, and then we can start by making rectangles. Once you have created a rectangle, you can select it and copy and paste it. Select it, move, convert to symbol, and in the name type player MC. Registration should be in the middle, type should be movie clip, and make sure this is checked. Export for ActionScript. If you don't have this box, this would be in the advanced, so just click on advanced arrow and it will come over here. Once you are done, click OK. Then select the second rectangle, convert to symbol, name should be computer MC. Registration in the middle like before, movie clip, and export for ActionScript should be checked. Okay. Now we can make balls. So for making ball, I am choosing oval tool. Now select the ball, convert it into symbol, name it as ball MC. Registration in the middle, movie clip, export for ActionScript. Okay. Now we have to name these, which have to give instance name. So click on first one. Instance name has to be player. Enter. The oval or the ball instance name is ball, and the rectangle, second rectangle instance name is computer. Once you are done with this, we can move on to making the score for both player and the computer. So go on text, make sure you have choose dynamic text. By default it would be on static text, so just choose dynamic text, and over here create a box, select it and resize it. Create another text box for the computer. The first one was for player. Now select the first one, and in instance name type txt, capital P LAYR, txt player. And in the second one, instance name txt, capital C MPUT, txt computer. C has to be capital. And then we are done with layer 1. So we can lock this one. If you want, you can rename it like I am doing. Then lock it, create another layer, bring it below the first one. You can rename this one also. This is going to be our background layer, so you can choose a background. If you want the same exact one, the link to this background would be in the description of this video, and just import it. Make sure the first layer is locked and you have selected the second layer. Okay, now you can lock this layer. I'm just quickly going to change the color of the font for this course, so I choose green, and for the second one for the computer, red. Now I'm going to lock this layer. So now we can make a background music layer. So create another layer, bring it below the background layer. I'm just going to rename it music. Make sure both other layers are locked and you have selected the third or music layer. And then I'm going to choose the music real quick. And also, if you want this exact music, the link would be in the description of this video again. So just drag and drop it into the .flash file, and then it would come in library once it's imported over here. Now make sure both other layers are locked and just drag and drop it into the third layer, music layer, and you can lock that layer also. Now let's go back, unlock the first layer and go back to main.as file. I have provided this code in the description. There would be a link to download this code. So copy and paste it in main.as and hit Ctrl S to save it. Ctrl S to save this and go back to .flash file, Ctrl S, and then you can hit Ctrl Enter to test it. And yes, it works. You can change the difficulty level or also the speed. It's going to start from this 10, 9, 10, and over here you can change the speed 12, 9, 12, and the intelligence of the computer from 7 out of 10. So if you just copy and paste the code, it's going to be 9. And if you want to export or publish this game, go back to timeline, properties, publish settings, and if you are going to publish this for Windows, check when projector and name it whatever you like. Choose the location, click on publish, and it's going to publish the game. Okay, so let's see. And over here we have flash file as it has published the game. So I'm going to provide this folder. There would be a zip file, and I will provide this folder all the files.